On July 1, 1938, renowned florist Hari Prasad Chaurasia was born in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Despite his father being a wrestler, Chaurasia's passion for music led him to secretly learn it, starting with the tabla. Spending his childhood in Banaras, he later mastered the flute and revolutionized Indian music. Alongside santoor player Shivakumar Sharma, he formed the famous duo Shiv Hari, composing music for Hindi films like Chandni, Dar and Lamhe. Honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 2000, Chaurasia has also received international accolades including France's Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters and recognition from British royal family. State Bank of India celebrates its foundation day on July 1, 1955. As India's largest and oldest bank, its origins trace back to the Bank of Calcutta, established in 1806. Renamed the Bank of Bengal in 1809, it was joined by the Bank of Madras and the Bank of Bombay in 1840s, collectively known as Presidency Banks. These merged on January 27, 1921, forming the Imperial Bank of India. On July 1, 1955, it was nationalized and renamed SBI. Headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, SBI boasts thousands of branches and ATMs across India and internationally.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF University. Education glorifies nation.
On July 1, 1879, India issued its first postcards, marking a significant milestone in its postal service history. Initially priced at half an anna, these postcards provided an affordable and straightforward way for people to send messages without envelopes. Modeled after the Austrian invention in 1869, the postcard quickly gained its popularity for its simplicity and accessibility across different social classes. Despite advancements in electronic communication, postcards remain relevant today, continuing to be issued by the Indian Postal Department with varied designs and uses, preserving their unique charm and utility. GST, implemented in India on July 1, 2017, revolutionized the country's taxation system by replacing multiple indirect taxes with a unified, transparent framework. The GST Act, passed on March 29, 2017, consolidated taxes like central excise duty, service tax, VAT and others previously levied by central and state governments. The 101st Constitutional Amendment paved the way for GST's implementation, establishing the GST Council comprising representatives from both levels of government. This council convenes regularly to make decisions on GST rates and policies, ensuring streamlined and efficient tax regime for the nation. National Doctors' Day is celebrated annually on July 1st to honor the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, a renowned physician and former Chief Minister of West Bengal. Celebrated since 1991, this day recognizes doctors' significant contributions to healthcare and medical education. Dr. Roy, awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, dedicated his life to advancing medical services and education. The theme for this year, Healing Hands, Caring Hearts, underscores the compassionate dedication of doctors who not only treat illnesses but also promote community health and well-being.